Are you a content creator looking for an all-in-one solution? Today we are diving into the GoPro 12 Content Creator Kit, one of the most powerful tools in 2024, even with the GoPro 13 Black out on the market. I'll take you through it why this is still a top pick for creators on the go. Let's see. First off, let's talk about video quality. The GoPro 12 shoots in stunning 5.3K resolution, making it ideal for creators who need that high-definition look. Whether you're capturing action shots or simply vlogging, this little powerhouse delivers crisp, smooth footage thanks to its hyper-smooth stabilization. But let's be honest, video quality is only half of the story. Audio matters as much. The Content Creator Kit comes with a very good, high-quality microphone, perfect for capturing clear audio even in noisy environments. It takes a bit of tweaking, but once it's set, you get solid audio without needing an external microphone. The kit also includes an LED light for low light settings. If you ever struggle with dim lighting while filming, this is a game changer. While the GoPro 12 itself can't quite match the low light performance of my iPhone, this light makes a huge difference, letting me keep filming without extra gear. Grip in this kit is definitely versatile. It acts as a handle, a tripod, and even has a built-in remote, perfect for setting up shots without extra gear. But here's the catch. The cable connecting the grip to the GoPro is pretty fragile. After just a couple of days, my cable got slightly damaged and I ended up having to press record on the GoPro itself. So I highly recommend storing the grip in a rigid case to keep the cable safe. That's right here. With a bit of tweaking, again, this grip works very well. But actually it could have been designed to be a little more durable. The GoPro 12 Black serves to me as my second camera because I use mainly my iPhone over here, which has extra battery life and a bit more versatility for my setup or for what I usually do. But even as a second camera, the GoPro is super reliable for any occasion. Of course, if you're planning to use the GoPro as your main camera, especially with the Content Creator Kit, it will definitely meet all your needs. It's very compact, it's powerful, and it's ready for about anything. Now, of course, my iPhone and the GoPro are totally different products, but the GoPro 12 Black isn't just an action camera. It's ideal for travelers, daily content creators, and anyone who needs a fast, reliable setup. The Content Creator Kit makes a huge difference here. It's almost essential in my opinion. With the kit, battery life becomes a non-issue, so you're not constantly swapping or recharging batteries throughout the day. If you're buying a GoPro primarily for content creation and not for action or sports, this setup over here is an excellent choice. Pair it with a good external microphone or even rely on the built-in one, and you've got a compact, powerful tool ready for any kind of project you have in mind. So if you're looking to upgrade your game on the content creation, please consider buying this, because it's very good for you, it was very good for me, and it's absolutely worth considering. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop any suggestions or comments or anything you want to know about this kit over here in the comments below. Thanks for watching, see you in the next video.